It is Friday. It's Beck Scrum. So Michael, how are things going with you?
Good. Just here for the Scrum. Nothing really to report.
Okay.
Right now.
Nothing blocking you?
No.
Nope. All right. Short and sweet. So yeah, I'm trying to work on this case studies document to talk about all the different ways in which we do work in Agile Ventures, paid or otherwise, and trying to get that off to the. I want to get off to the Myanmar people today, so they've got an idea of the different ways in which we might work together. At least I've sort of set myself on that aspect with the idea that the document could go on to lots of other people who are trying to talk to me at the moment, and I'm feeling overwhelmed with not being able to talk to all of them or not finding the time for it. Anyway, and we've kind of got this document, and I'm just trying to work out. I was just struggling with, do we need diagrams showing the for example, in the Wikimedia EDU project, and I'm just noodling around here with Keynote, to show this is the project manager. The project manager was paid, and these are volunteers, and then this is how the other project. Do we need diagrams to show this, or is it just lots of text? Okay, and anyway, so that's what I'm sort of locked on, whether that's
for which project is this?
Well, I've got as far here of getting up a Keynote and putting in some things, but so I was just imagining that what I might do, is put something like.
Is this for NHS Wiki?
Well,
what is this for?
I want to have a case studies document for all projects. Anybody who is coming to talk to Agile Ventures and saying, "Oh, hey, we're thinking about doing some work with you," of which we've got several new things based off the Ruby Rose episode that came out, and I instead of having saying the same things over again with everybody, I'm imagining creating a document, which I'll be sharing all this in the new projects channel. This was the structure for the Wikimedia EDU dashboard, for example. Anyway, there you go. So, but that's I'm doing that. Other things that are happening. I managed to have a local support client meeting this morning. That's good, and we got out some new integrations. Mago's Reach Skills things is finally out, and the client, I think, is pleased, and that is good. And I think I've unblocked some stuff there that I was a blocker on. Yeah, we had the marketing meeting, got through a load of stuff. Nothing critical to report. I think I still wonder about them taking up too much time, but yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. I guess still blocked on the async voter thing, but there we go. Yeah, I'm not being very coherent. Another week, it's getting to the point I will need I'm around next week, but then the week after I'll be away again. So yeah, I can feel the need for a break coming up. Yeah, look, I managed to deploy the website one latest stuff, which is quite pleasing. So we'll look at that in more detail in the website one kickoff meeting. But Federico is also here. Hey Federico, how are things going with you?
Hey guys, pretty good. I don't really have anything to report. I'm just here for the website one meeting, which cool. I didn't check. I forgot what time it starts.
Yeah, it's 9 minutes from now.
Okay.
No worries. Anything blocking you at all?
No, not really.
Sorry that you ended up with lots of action items on the marketing meeting.
That's all right.
Then of course, do feel free to delegate those. You can spread them around. And I'm terrible at delegating. I need to get much better at doing that. I don't know how to get it to work, but anyway, maybe our design sprint that we're talking about doing. Yeah, I'm thinking so that I have got now got a deposit for a private contract to do this design sprint for a private group, and I'm going to be doing that at the end. End of June, and that inspires me to say yes. Let's get a Agile Ventures design sprint in first and do it.
Right.
Between June the 12th and June the 16th. And that would mean for people who want to be involved in that means a significant time commitment during that week to be involved in the design sprint. But there we go.
Well, yeah, if we schedule ahead of time, I think it might work out.
Yeah, we'll see who can and wants to put those in. And Alex is here as well. Hey, Alex.
Yes, hi, Matt.
How you
Hi,
doing?
guys. Yes, I'm fine. I prepare. Sorry, no blockers. I'm working on my task, and I think it's much better now. I made a little bit refactoring, and will show you in planning meeting. And I read all the BPL documentation as well to better understand how to process payments and how to deal with our payment choice. So there are a little difference between payment choices, express payment, standard button, and I've investigated our case.
Excellent, wonderful, wonderful, great. Yeah, looking forward to hearing more about that in the website one planning meeting. Yes, so well, I think that's our Scrum. We have the Scrum over. We have this funny thing with the Scrums, and then do we have to go to a different Hangout? And there's these like different, of course, we record it separately, but then who watches any of the things? Although some people do. So I don't know. Hopefully, in the design sprint, we maybe can identify whether that's something we need to fix. I guess, is there anything that we need to sort out apart from the like the can't wait until the 5 minutes when we start the website one planning meeting? I guess the only other thing I might just draw some people's attention to, Federico and Michael, you're both in the professional development premium chat room, where Michael and I were having a chat about. So this is about a paid project that we've got coming in, and this is actually from someone I know, and they need a site, and they also need like secure communication, which is kind of. I've emailed them back to ask about how much it would cost or what they think their budget range is. Yeah. Anyway, so do check that out. I mean, there's definitely this zone of people who want things and they don't want custom bespoke products, but they basically want us to choose an off-the-shelf solution that might meet their needs and host it a bit like we've done for the NHS project. So input on that, very much appreciated. Okay. Well, I think that's our Scrum. I guess I'll go and make the Hangout planning meeting thing, and we'll see you all there.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks guys. Bye for now.